Hi kids, today we're going to review the vowels, okay? Sorry I didn't get back to you for so long, but my Wi-Fi connection was in trouble, okay? Pardon me for that. So we're retaking today the vowel sounds, and we have letter A that says A as in apple. A says a, as in apple. Then we have vowel E, says E as in elephant. E says E as in elephant. Okay? And then we continue with the next vowel, and that's letter I. I says E as in igloo. I says E as in igloo. And then we continue with the next vowel, and that's letter O. Letter O says as in ostrich. Letter O says as in ostrich. And then we have the next vowel, letter U. Letter U says as in umbrella. U says as in umbrella. Okay, so those are the 5 vowels that we learned, and today we're going to review. I forgot to review one of the letters, and that was letter L. Letter L says, just a second, I lost the letter. Letter L, where's letter L? Letter L. Yeah, B here, C. I lost letter L. Okay, you're gonna have to pardon me for that. I lost letter L. Lost letter L. Letter L got lost. We lost letter L. Ay, Jesus. Okay, so pardon me for that. It's like magic, it disappeared. And we say that letter L says O as in lamp. Letter L says O as in lamp. But I lost letter L. Pardon me for that. It just happened just now. Okay, so just review that, and I should be able to get back to you with a new consonant, okay? And we'll continue from there. And probably tomorrow I will start, since we're kind of behind, I will start a new letter tomorrow. God bless you. Bye.